Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from beauty subscription boxes to clothing subscription boxes to lifestyle boxes. So if you like watching unboxing videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing down below. And for my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I have a box called Fashionable Beauty Box. And I've only unboxed this one other time, and it has been quite a while. I have been waiting for this box. But as you know, a lot of us right now are waiting on these boxes. They are getting delayed, and they did send me an email and let me know to expect a delay. So it's very understandable during all this. But I'm happy to say I finally got it, and I can't wait to share it with you. But I'll give you a little bit of information about Fashionable Beauty Box because there's not too many people out there who unbox this one. And what they're known for, it says if you love makeup, fashion, and accessories, so this is everything, this box is for you. Each month you will receive 4 to 5 beauty, fashion, and or lifestyle items every month for a fraction of the price. Expect to see high quality items, name brand items, and luxury beauty items. Get double what you pay for. Boxes contain a total value of at least double the price of the box. Get your favorite items for much less. Now, if you want to try this, it's running at $45 a month, and you can cancel at any time. And I have a discount code for 10% off. All you have to do is when you go to checkout, put Face in Fashions in the discount code box, and they will give you 10% off your order for your first box. And each box is valued at least $150. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what I got. Now, on the top, they have this beautiful box, and I'm going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to peek inside and see. Okay, and here's what it looks like. It is beautifully wrapped in this pink tissue paper with April on here, and it looks like it has all the items in the box and gives you the description of everything I'm going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and try to hold this up, and we're going to do a quick little peek. Oh, that packaging is gorgeous. I don't even want to show you. I don't want you guys to see anything. Okay, I got to show you this because this is adorable. Okay, I'm going to try to cover up so you don't get to see too much of the items. But not only do they have this pink, cute little like fluffy stuff, they threw little flowers in there, and they threw little butterflies in the confetti. Oh, and there's more flowers all under here. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, A+ on the packaging, guys. Okay, so I'm sure you saw the first one, so we're going to go ahead and pull this one out. And I'm going to hold this up. And I'm going to read off the card for you guys. This is Snake Charmer Lip Gloss set by Marc Jacobs, valued at $40. So I like a lot of those colors. These look like they could be very neutral. Let's see. The names are called Sugar Sugar, Skin Deep. I like that one quite a lot. That's going to be a very natural, neutral color. This middle one is called Raspberry Beret. That's a Prince song. Do you guys remember a Prince song? She wore a raspberry beret. Okay. And this one right here is called Boys Don't Cry. And I think there was a song from the 80s, or no, from the 70s, the Eagles. Big boys don't cry, big boys don't cry. Okay, Okay. Oh, Lord help me today. Okay, and this last one is called Cha-Cha Changes. No! Now we all know that's David Bowie. Cha-Cha Changes. Okay, I wonder what the first one. Sugar, Sugar. Sugar, Sugar. Didn't Maroon 5 just do a song not too long ago, like a couple years ago? Sugar, Sugar and Skin Deep. I don't remember a song called Skin Deep. 4 out of 5 are song names though. How funny is that? Okie doke. Okay, so we have Marc Jacobs. We'll put that right up there. Snake Charmer. I'm liking those colors. So the next item out is this one, and this is called Steve Laurent, and this is a Steve Laurent lip gloss for $22. And the color of this is Posh. I'm going to pull this out so we can see the color. But this one is called Posh. And we all know what girl group Posh belongs to, the Spice Girls. So, okay, we're going to stick with music on this one, guys. We're just going to roll with this, and we're going to try to connect everything to music. I was not planning this, but this is just me being silly today. I don't know what's going on with me. Okay, this is Meet Your New Go-To Gloss because this luxury formula is lightweight and doesn't clump or stick. It is 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. Formulated with a creamy high-tech lip softening texture, it is one-of-a-kind hybrid gel oil mix that will moisturize and hydrate your lips in one swipe. So let's swipe and see what we think. I do like his glosses, so that's a beautiful color. Yep. Definitely liking that one. Okay, so we got some lip stuff working here, guys. We'll put that one down there so we don't lose them there. Okay, and the next item out of the box is this. So we're going to open it and see what we have here. And this is called Venus. And what is this? Lime Crime Sunkist Face Palette for $35. Overexposure eyes with the Sunkist Venus XL palette. Mix and match with 4 warm bronze and pops of color eyeshadow in 3 finishes. We have matte, shimmer, and foil. So they got 3 finishes. So let's open this and see what kind of colors we have. This is a cute little mini palette. Come on out of there, you baby. Lime Crime Sunkist Face Palette. Lime Crime. I don't think that's a song. Well, it's not going to work on this one. Venus, though. Oh, okay. There's a song from the Venus. Oh, my God. Bananarama? Was that the name of the band from 80s? I'm your Venus, I'm your goddess. Oh, okay, I told you I was going to connect it to a song, but woohoo, I don't know what's going on with me, but let's open it. It's like, oh, look how cute. I love it. Those look like some fun colors. Now, I don't know if they're kind of me. I might end up giving these to my daughter because these are more her color. But I'll pull this off. They do have a bright yellow and they have a bright orange. And if you like doing like a sunset look, I have watched other like professional makeup artists do like a sunset look, and they do really good. And I know that's 2 of the colors to create a sunset look. But that's a nice neutral brown. And that's like just a little shimmer highlighter, or like could go on your eyelids, I'm sure. But I'm not going to swatch it because this is probably going to end up going to my daughter because she loves eyeshadows and she loves creating unique, beautiful, bright shades like that. That's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but that's cute. Okay, so we got a nice little palette, eyeshadow palette. So I put that. We'll put the little Venus. I'm your Venus. I'm your, I don't remember the words. Show me that. I don't know. I don't remember. But look, I am super impressed. Look at all this little stuff. Aw, they did really nice. Okay, so that's 3 items. Now we have something else in the bottom of the box, and I kind of can see, but I haven't seen, if you guys know what I mean. So, I'm going to pull it out. And this is why it came in such a big box. And this is what we have. We have a purse that comes with this cover over it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull it out and look at it and see our first impression. And I think this is pretty cute. I like it. I could get a lot of use out of this. Now, what it says about this, I'm just going to hold it up and then I'm going to insert some coverage of me showing you after I unwrap everything. But let me tell you the details first. This is a black luxury handbag for $65. Complete your outfit this season with the adorable black handle handbag. This handbag is crafted from a smooth, high-quality vegan leather and features front gold hardware. The interior features plenty of space and place of all your everyday items. Well, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I hope I'm holding this up. I love these round handles, the gold trim right here. They have those nice little feet at the bottom of the purse, and it feels very nice. It has a nice opening right here. So let me pull all this paper off so we can get in here and look at it. That's that. Okay, and who is this made by? Do you guys know who that is? I'm not a big person, I'm not a big purse fan. That's my daughter's gig. Let me tell you, my daughter's got some purses. She does all of them, but I don't know if that's a L'Attired Fashion, if that's a good name brand. It says vegan approved. So I'm gonna open it. And you can see the insides real quick as I hold it open. It looks like, let's pull all this out. You have 3 sections. I'm going to try to hold this up like this. It looks like inside you have 3 sections. You have 1, 2, and then you have a zipper part in the middle. So there you go. And then you have a crossbody strap. Okay, so that was the box. I got 4 items in this box, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I got some good quality. I like the purse. Marc Jacobs, I know that's a very good name, and some Steve Laurent lip gloss, and also an eyeshadow palette. So 3 makeup items and a beautiful black purse that could go with multiple of items. So I'm pretty happy with this box. Remember, I have a 10% discount code down below if you would like to try it. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you're staying safe out there. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.